The wealth tripod is cash flow, equity, and tax advantages. And if you can get those three things optimized and working for you, I think you'll be surprised at how quickly wealth will come your way. And what I love about laundromats is that laundromats utilize all three of the legs of the wealth tripod. And that's what makes them so powerful in my eyes. Now, there are other investments, other businesses that also do this, but I love the simplicity and low hours, potentially of laundromats that combine with the wealth tripod aspects of laundromats. And so let's talk just briefly about each of those legs. If you want more information, I'll link to a YouTube video down below that goes through that wealth tripod a little more in depth and runs through actual numbers to give you some examples. So if that's something you're interested in, you can check out that video. But for here on the podcast, let's run through each of those. Now, the first one obviously is cash flow. And I think that's where laundromats really shine. That is the strength and the backbone of the wealth tripod for laundromats. And the reason for that is because of the way that laundromats are valued. Now, briefly, the way that laundromats are valued is there's a net operating income, which is essentially all your income minus all your expenses before your taxes, before your debt pay down. That's your net operating income. And you take that for the year and you multiply that by somewhere between usually like 3 to 3.5 to maybe 4.5 up to around 5. And, there's lots of factors that go into which number to pick. But that is the way that a laundromat is valued. So that means that let's just take an easy number. If you buy a laundromat for $100,000 at a 4 times net operating income multiplier, then you're going to end up paying netting $25,000 for that. Now, a 25% return on your money is incredible. And, for an average laundromat deal, that's not out of the question at all.